Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today we're gonna be doing a triple unboxing. Of what? Of another Kickstarter product, of course. So, let's start. We're gonna be unboxing today the EcoFlow R600 Pro. I've been waiting way too long for this to arrive, but finally here. Let's open it up. Okay. Better packaging on the inside. Nice. It is heavy. It is really heavy. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here's the package. The EcoFlow R600 Pro portable power station. Right now, I think this is the first and last time they're gonna be selling this one. I think this was only for Kickstarter. Right now they're selling it on Amazon, but it's a River model, which it's another model. This one, it's supposed to be able to charge up to 3,000 times. The River model should charge at most 500 times, that's it. There's a lithium iron phosphate oxide, I think it is. LiFePO4. That's the battery chemistry. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, looking good, looking good. First, we got the quick start guide. Let's see what's in this box. Okay. We got the 12-volt car lighter adapter to charge the power bank. We got one solar panel cable adapter to connect to the power bank also. This direct, I think that is for this to connect two of them at the same time, so you can output more wattage or a longer battery life, and the regular wall cable. Okay, instructions for the solar connector. Good. And the user guide. Let's do this over here. We're gonna put this to the side, unless we're not gonna need it for now. Okay. This is for the app. Let's stick this over here. And let's take out the EcoFlow. Whoa. At least it looks good. Looks really pretty. Really good colors. Feels really, really well made. Even though it's plastic, it feels very, very sturdy. This truly can hold its own. It is really, really well built. Nice. It also comes with a bag. No, it doesn't fit in here. This is just a regular bag, so you can use it for whatever. So Nothing else in the box. Okay, let's leave this to the side. And here we go. Here is the EcoFlow 600 R600 Pro and everything that comes inside. Now, let's go for the second one. Here we go. And this is the big one. The big boy. Let's open it up. Our second package. This is all from the EcoFlow family. Okay. Let's pull this out. This is really tight. Woo. That was real tight. As you can see, this is the EcoFlow EF 1500 external battery. This is an extender for the EcoFlow. This will give you a lot of extra time using your EcoFlow. Let's open it up. This one I ordered in space gray just to have a contrast in colors. So one was one color and the other one another one. I like them both, so I ordered them both. Something strange. I can see the blue handle and it's supposed to be yellow, so it's not space gray. I don't know. Oh, it must be the same color. Yeah, it's the same color. I thought I ordered the black one. Okay. Let's take this off. And pull this out of here. As you can see, it is pretty heavy. Here is the front. With this, you can either charge it through your car, you can charge it directly from a battery. You can also plug USB in here, and also you have it also has a light. Seems okay. We gotta turn it on first. Okay. Here you go. It has a light on it. You can turn it you can power it by a 24 volt battery. Let's turn it off. See what comes in this box. Let's see what we have in this box. Should come with cables. Perfect. Comes with first. Okay, this is for a solar panel. This is for the car lighter. And this is for the expansion port. Okay. Let's see if you can see it on that one. Here, this one connects over here. And then you connect that one. You connect that one over here to this power port. Yes, it looks like a printer cable, something similar to that. But no, it's a power cable. Pretty cool. So here you go. This should, in theory, power up your fridge for at least 12 hours. So good, pretty good. Here's the EcoFlow with the expansion battery. Okay, comes with the cables. Now let's go for the third one. Okay, for the third. Okay. Okay. What the? Let's see what else we got. Oops. Sorry. Much better. I like this one. Let's stick with it. Okay, for the third one, it's a lot smaller, but in no way less impressive. Let's open it up. This one wasn't directly from the campaign, but it was part of their after campaign. Something they made afterwards. So they sent it to me. This is the Riverbank. This is a somewhat portable power bank, and for the capacity, trust me, it is very small. Let's open it up. Okay. What we got here? Okay, just a cover. Nothing else? No, that's it. We got a user guide. We got instructions. What else we have here? We have USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Finally. Great. We're finally moving forward. Very well done, EcoFlow. Very well done. I don't know why companies are still sticking to the USB-A. We're already on USB Type-C. Almost everything's coming out Type-C. Why USB-C to A or A to C or C? You know what I mean. C to C is the best you can get, because you can get the full power out of this cable. Okay, let's take this out. As you can see, it is not that big. It is basically the size of my hand. You have it, my hand. And let's turn it on. Right now it doesn't have battery. We gotta charge it, but we don't need it to show you what it has. Okay. It comes with a USB-C to USB Type-A, just in case you have one and need to use it, and another USB Type-C. One is for power, one is for the hub, for charging. This also has built-in wireless charging. Amazing. Okay. It has wireless charging built in. So no excuses. You can charge anything with this. It also can charge your laptop 2 times, your phone 9 to 15 times, your tablet 3 times, your GoPro 20 times, and you can even use a CPAP machine for 2 hours. Yes, this has a 25,600 milliamp per hour battery. What else do you need? You can take this anywhere. It is heavy for the amount of battery power you have, but you can carry this. You can carry this anywhere. You can take it on a plane trip, on a boat trip. You can take it anywhere. It is not waterproof, that for sure, but you can take it anywhere. It is simply very, very portable. It also has the option of adding another module, which you just put this on top with this connecting port. You just put it on top and it automatically connects into one piece. And you can use that as a car booster. You can jumpstart a car. Oh, of course, if you get the other module, which I don't have, but this also tells you how much battery you got left, and depending on the usage you're giving it, how much time you got left of juice for whatever you're charging. That's the third one, and that's it. Here you have it, the whole EcoFlow ecosystem. Everything you need to power up your devices. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching.